1966 Ford Thunderbird Landau here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 390 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Very nicely equipped car. Power steering, power brakes, AC, power windows, power vent windows, power locks. Take a look at the front chrome, headlights, surrounds, grille. This vehicle will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Maroon metallic X code. As far as the paint goes on this one, check out the still pictures. You'll be able to see the underside, the interior. You'll see that door tag. If you want to do any decoding there, uniqueclassiccars.com. Phone number 507-386-1726. Thunderbird wheel covers, white wall radials. Some of the service work that was just done in this vehicle too. It does have fresh wiper blades, oil recently changed, new master cylinder, and new rear wheel cylinders. Some maintenance just done to this. And you can see the paint shows well. You might come across an imperfection here or there, but overall, great car for taking into your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, or just out and have a little fun with it. Black vinyl interior, and that's the way this would have been produced back in 1966. Seat belts still intact, front and rear. Center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer here in just a bit. First, you can take a look at the vinyl top, see that that's also in nice shape. And also remember, is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. So we take a look at the chrome in the rear of this. Gentleman that brought this vehicle to us to have sold actually drove it probably close to 80 to 100 miles. Car you can get in, turn the key, go. Have some fun, like I said. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, shows. Mid-60s Thunderbirds drive out very nice too, go down the road real well. Take a look at the driver's side of the car. See, the paint also shows well over here. Now we'll a little closer look at the interior. Door panels. I mentioned that door tag earlier. Right here, you're going to be able to see that. Allow the VIN, like I said, the codes, be in the still pictures. Power seat over here on the driver's side also. Let's take a look at that. Front and back. Front and back works. Tilt works. There are a couple of them there that front and back work great, and tilt on the front. As you can see, the vinyl's not ripped, torn, full of holes. So we'd have the breakaway steering wheel. We'll slide over for getting in and out of it. Look at the headliner. Rear seats, and you'll be able to see all of that on the interior pics of this car too on the website. I did play around with the power vent windows. Those work. The power windows work. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear this round. Again, 390. See how easily that one starts. Alright, let's go ahead. So we got power to the radio.
Whatever you want to do outside, like
working radio. Power locks, power windows. Take a look at your warning lights up here for seat belts, flasher, door ajar, and low fuel. Rest of the dash looks good. Odometer reads 53,657. It was believed that that was original miles. Once the vehicle is so old, it does not stay on the title. It's marked exempt, so I cannot confirm or deny that. But you can see what it reads right there, and there'll also be a picture of that In with the still pictures. Wouldn't surprise me as clean as this car is on the underside. Interior engine bay. Sounds as you'd expect. Just slip up to the front, check out this engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video. Get a look underside the hood. Nice and tidy there. There it is. 390 V8. Mentioned new master cylinder. Power steering, power brakes, AC. And you just see lacquer corrosion. All nice and clean. Look above the wheel wells. Just a nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Not all grimy. One of those, you go to your local roll-ins, shows. Don't be afraid to have the hood up. Show this one off a little bit. 1966 Ford Thunderbird Landau. Maroon metallic. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. And we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1966 Ford Thunderbird. This car has the swing away steering wheel, which is a pretty cool feature. Turn signal indicators out on the front fenders are working. The speedometer is also pretty cool. It looks like a mercury from a thermometer filling up with red as you speed up. Our oil pressure gauge is about a third of the way up the gauge. Fuel is over half. Temperature is almost a quarter, running nice and cool. And the amps are a little over halfway up the gauge. This car has FM radio, and it's working well. Blower motor also working. One cool feature this car has is power front wing windows. If you can see that open. Just push a switch and the front wing windows will open. Not a common feature on most cars. Windshield wipers also working. If I let go of the steering wheel on this car, maybe a slight drift to the right. Could be a tire. Doesn't affect performance much. This car is very easy to steer. Excellent power steering. Comfortable bucket seats in this car. Corners well. Corners as you would expect for a 66 Thunderbird. Transmission kicks down nicely. Lots of options in this car. Well equipped. And a very smooth ride. Luxurious ride. Just feel the road a little bit, nice and smooth. Take a look at all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.